Robotic Process Automation (RPA) in sourcing. Robotic Process Automation is revolutionizing sourcing operations by automating repetitive tasks, streamlining procurement processes, and improving efficiency. RPA bots are used to collect vendor information from various sources, such as emails, forms, and websites are collected. The bots then validate the data, perform background checks, and populate the information into the sourcing system. This streamlines the vendor onboarding process, reduces manual effort, and ensures data accuracy. This provides a use case for automating vendor registration. IBM utilizes RPA to automate the supplier onboarding process. RPA bots collect vendor information from various sources, such as emails and forms, validate the data against predefined criteria, and populate it into the sourcing system. This streamlines the supplier registration process, reduces manual effort, and ensures data accuracy. RPA aids in spend analysis by automating data extraction and analysis. RPA bots extract spending data from multiple sources, including invoices, purchase orders, and contracts. The bots categorize and analyze the data to identify spending patterns, supplier performance, and cost-saving opportunities. This allows sourcing teams to make data-driven decisions more efficiently and optimize procurement strategies. Accenture uses RPA for automating spend analysis activities. RPA bots extract spending data from multiple sources, such as invoices, purchase orders, and contracts, and categorize it based on predefined criteria. The bots then analyze the data to identify spending patterns, cost-saving opportunities, and supplier performance insights, helping Accenture optimize procurement strategies and improve sourcing decisions. RFX management is aided where RPA automates RFX preparation and evaluation process. RPA bots generate RFX documents, request for proposal, request for quote, etc., by pulling information from templates and existing contracts. The bots distribute the RFX documents to selected vendors, track responses, and analyze proposals based on predefined criteria. This accelerates the RFX process, improves consistency, and facilitates vendor evaluation. Nike employs RPA for gathering market intelligence and competitor analysis in sourcing activities. RPA bots collect data from various sources, such as industry reports, news articles, and social media, and analyze it to identify trends, pricing strategies, and supplier performance benchmarks. This helps Nike make informed sourcing decisions, negotiate better deals, and stay competitive in the market. RPA bots assist in contract management by extracting key terms and clauses from contracts, updating contract repositories, and sending alerts for renewal or expiration dates. The bots also help in contract negotiation by flagging discrepancies and ensuring compliance with regulatory requirements. This increases contract visibility, reduces risk, and enhances contract lifecycle management. Johnson & Johnson uses RPA for managing supplier data and documentation. RPA bots collect and organize supplier information, such as contracts, certifications, and contact details from various sources. The bots validate the data, update supplier records in the sourcing system, and send alerts for expiring contracts or missing documentation. This ensures compliance with regulatory requirements, reduces risk, and enhances supplier data accuracy. RPA helps with supplier performance monitoring, where the bots collect and analyze supplier performance data from various sources, including feedback surveys, delivery reports, and quality assessments. The bots consolidate the data into performance dashboards, generate reports, and trigger alerts for underperforming suppliers. This enables proactive supplier management, fosters accountability, and drives continuous improvement. Amazon utilizes RPA for monitoring supplier performance and compliance. RPA bots track key performance indicators, KPIs, such as on-time delivery, quality metrics, and pricing accuracy for each supplier. The bots analyze the data, generate performance reports, and flag underperforming suppliers for further review or action. This enables Amazon to maintain high standards of supplier performance and ensure customer satisfaction. Purchasing order processing is facilitated since PO creation and approval can be automated. RPA bots automate the creation of purchase orders by extracting order details from requisition forms or ERP systems. The bots route the POs for approval based on predefined rules and escalate exceptions for manual review. Once approved, the bots transmit the POs to suppliers electronically, eliminating manual data entry and reducing processing time. Coca-Cola utilizes RPA for automating purchase order processing tasks. RPA bots extract order details from requisition forms or ERP systems, validate the information, and generate purchase orders automatically. The bots then route the orders for approval based on predefined rules and escalate exceptions for manual review. This accelerates the procurement process, reduces processing time, and improves order accuracy. RPA bots manage the end-to-end process of onboarding and offboarding suppliers, from initial registration to termination of contracts. The bots collect necessary documentation, perform compliance checks, and update supplier records in the sourcing system. This ensures regulatory compliance, reduces administrative burden, and enhances supplier relationships. This helps in automating supplier lifecycle management. P&G employs RPA for streamlining supplier relationship management processes. RPA bots automate tasks such as supplier performance monitoring, contract management, and communication with vendors. By automating routine tasks, P&G frees up procurement professionals to focus on strategic activities such as supplier development and negotiation, thereby enhancing supplier relationships and driving value for the organization. RPA can help with price comparison and negotiation. RPA bots can automate price analysis and negotiation by collecting pricing information from multiple sources, including catalogs, marketplaces, and historical data. The bots analyze price trends, identify cost-saving opportunities, and support negotiation strategies by providing real-time insights. This enables sourcing teams to negotiate better deals, optimize procurement costs, and achieve savings targets.